Welcome to JRMSweeps. I have a 2020 Ram 1500 Lone Star Edition. Just had the dealership install the Mopar auto start. You'll get two brand new key fobs here that'll have the auto start that you see right here by my thumb. And to do this, tap that twice. Runtime is about 15 minutes. Then it'll automatically shut off. Now whenever you do the auto start here, the doors automatically lock. So you'll have to unlock those. The cool thing about this auto start is you can see this is 54 degrees, but when the temperature drops, you can see here it's 37 degrees outside. And the auto start system knows to turn my defrost on. You can see right here it's not even set on defrost, and it turns it on to high, as you can hear it. And it's based upon the temperature outside. Remote start active, push start button. So all you have to do is come in here, press the start button. You'll see the system quiets down, goes back to its normal setting. The defrost will still be on here, just to defrost the mirrors. I highly suggest that you have the dealership install this. My dealer took about 5 hours to do so because you have to run a brand new antenna up through the headliner here. And plus you need to have the dealership program it into the actual system itself. Now it does have a safety feature here. I'll pop the hood. You'll see right there that it cancels that auto start. That's because you're going to get a brand new hood latch that goes with this. Alright, I'm sitting in the back of the vehicle here. We just activated the auto start. The door's automatically locked. You'll see here when we go to open the door, you'll have to unlock this. The auto start will automatically disengage. Tell the dealership you want your old key fobs back, because even though this will not remotely start the vehicle, it will still run it. The remote start kit was right at around $375, and then it was $300 for install. So you're looking at right around $700 for a total install. Thanks for watching.